Starting a lip balm business can be a rewarding venture, especially in a beauty-conscious market. With the right strategy and dedication, you can create a successful brand that caters to the growing demand for lip care products. This video will provide a practical and detailed guide on how to kickstart your own lip balm business, covering key aspects from market research to product development and marketing. Step 1. Market research and planning. Before diving into the lip balm industry, thorough market research is essential. Identify your target audience, competitors, and unique selling points. Consider factors such as trends, preferences, and ingredient preferences. Create a detailed business plan outlining your goals, budget, and marketing strategy. Determine whether you want to focus on a niche market, such as organic or vegan lip balms, or target a broader audience with a variety of formulations. Step 2. Product development. Developing a high-quality lip balm is crucial for the success of your business. Research and choose premium ingredients that offer moisturizing and nourishing properties. Consider different formulations to cater to various customer preferences, such as tinted lip balms, SPF protection, or specialty flavors. Work with a reliable manufacturer to ensure the production of a consistent and safe product. Pay attention to packaging, design an eye-catching and practical container that stands out on the shelves. Step 3. Legalities and compliance. Compliance with local regulations and obtaining necessary licenses is a critical step in starting any business. Ensure that your lip balm meets all safety standards and regulations for cosmetic products. This may involve ingredient testing, product labeling, and adherence to manufacturing guidelines. Consult with legal professionals or regulatory experts to navigate this aspect smoothly and avoid potential legal issues down the line. Step 4. Marketing and distribution. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to promote your lip balm brand. Utilize online platforms, such as social media and e-commerce websites, to reach a broader audience. Consider collaborations with beauty influencers or bloggers to increase brand visibility. Create engaging content that highlights the benefits of your lip balm and sets it apart from competitors. Explore various distribution channels, from selling directly through your website to partnering with local retailers or online marketplaces. Building a strong online presence and positive customer reviews can significantly contribute to the success of your lip balm business. Launching a lip balm business requires careful planning and execution. From market research to product development, legal compliance, and marketing, each step plays a crucial role in the overall success of your venture. Stay adaptable and be ready to adjust your strategies based on market trends and customer feedback. With dedication, a quality product, and effective marketing, your lip balm business can thrive in the competitive beauty industry.